Welcome to my channel, Basic Learning for Kids. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for car. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hen. I is for ink. J is for jug. K is for key. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watch. X is for fox. Y is for yam. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.